Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. Each food also has its own unique balance of doshas. Some foods can increase or aggravate a dosha. Some foods can decrease or calm a dosha. Some foods are naturally tridoshic and have a balancing effect on all the doshas. Each person in a family can have a different body type. It is tricky to cook a meal that has a balancing effect for everyone at the table. But it is possible to create a three dosha meal that balances everyone's doshas, even though its separate ingredients are not themselves tridoshic. This Vedic Ginger Dal is a traditional example of such a dish. It has a tridoshic effect. It is well balanced in both taste and its effect on doshas. I have a variety of videos in my channel for dosha specific Ayurvedic diet plans. I highly recommend you watch it. Great health depends on balancing your body type by eating the right food. Let's get cooking now. I've got 1 cup of Mung Dal here. This is also called as split green beans. Mung Dal is Tridoshic. I need to tell you something very important about legumes and beans and how to eat it. In Ayurvedic tradition, legumes are often a part of almost every meal of the day. They're also used to make desserts and snacks. The protein in legumes is a very different protein from what is found in meat products like cheese, eggs, and fish. Vegetarian protein from legumes requires some effort to digest, and for people who are new to legumes will find it very difficult to digest. So use spices that help digestion such as asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds, fresh ginger and black pepper. Adding these spices to legume dishes will help you reduce any side effects such as bloating or gas that beans are often associated with. You also need 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Coriander again is Tridoshic. It pacifies Vata, Pitta and Kapha doshas. You also need 1 tomato chopped. And the other ingredients you're going to need are, I've got some ginger pieces here. This is fresh ginger. You can see I've got a lot of ginger here. This is about 3-inch piece ginger. And I've got some cumin or jeera seeds and some fennel seeds, little bit of mustard seeds and pink Himalayan salt, little bit of turmeric powder, and I've also got 1 green chili slit lengthwise. I've soaked the green beans overnight. In a pan with a thick heavy bottom, bring green beans and green chili to a boil with 3 cups of water. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the beans are completely soft. The cooking time will vary depending on how long you soaked your green beans. Once it is cooked, mash the dal and green chilies. Heat ghee in a frying pan and saute cumin, mustard and fennel seeds with chopped ginger. Add the chopped tomatoes to this and cook until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Now add all the spices. Add the mashed moong dal mixture to this and cook for another 5 minutes. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. You can have this Vedic ginger dal with rice, millets or roti. Eating Ayurvedically makes you feel nourished and energized. Beans detoxify our body. The high fiber content of beans cleans the colon. Ginger, the major component of this moong dal recipe, increases circulation. It is light on the stomach and enriched with proteins. Vedic ginger dal is an Ayurvedic preparation that is beneficial for all the 3 doshas and keeps them in check. It cleanses the body of ama toxins and is very good for digestion as well as a light food to be taken if one is suffering from diarrhea. I hope this video helps you prepare a Tridoshic meal that can be enjoyed by all your family members who have different doshas or body types. If you like this video, give it your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Ayurvedic recipes and meal plans. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.